On the road to Cana, there's gonna be terrain, 'cause a life in love takes time to find the way.
Well, yeah, I mean, the computer situation, you know, people get glued to their computer. Sometimes they get glued to the computer games. At least there's another person involved there. But I think there is a lot of that. And it has to do with isolation in terms of something that pulls us along, that helps us take us out of ourselves, so that we don't realize that we're alone. And then there are other situations where we discover we're alone, and we feel very lonely in this culture. So there's kind of this back and forth oscillation between being isolated, doing whatever you're doing that's a single individual activity, as opposed to, and then of course on the other extreme is the person, for example, who has to go out every Saturday night, can't stay home and just read a book or whatever. They have to go out every Saturday night, and whether it be drinking, whether it be going to dance places, where you're probably not going to find the kind of person you want if you're looking for a good holy spouse. They're restless. So there are these two extremes, and I think the mean would be to be able to relate to people on a daily basis, to not get into these situations where, I mean, I've seen situations where, you say goodbye to somebody and they're glued to the computer. Oh, goodbye, and then you just walk out. That we need to be able to realize that it's important to relate to people, and relating to people is more important than to watch a show that we like or pursue a program in the computer that we like. That people are really important to us for our own fulfillment. And in fact, theologians tell us that the essence of the persons in the Trinity are the fact that they're in relation. And so our fulfillment is in relation to other people. So I guess I could use an example that might not be too popular among the men, but I've thought about it myself, and that is, when you're watching a good football game and it's time to have dinner. Well, that's what TiVos and, VCRs and all those are for. You just tape the game and go up and have dinner. But a lot of people just can't drag themselves away from that and go up and, connect with people.